Rolling coal is a term used to describe the practice of intentionally modifying a diesel engine to emit large amounts of black smoke. This practice is typically carried out by modifying the engine's fuel injection and exhaust systems to increase the amount of fuel being burned, which in turn creates large plumes of smoke when the engine is revved or under load. While rolling coal may be seen as a way for some diesel truck owners to show off their vehicle's power or make a statement, it is widely considered to be harmful to the environment and human health. The black smoke produced by rolling coal is made up of particulate matter, which can be hazardous to breathe in and can contribute to respiratory problems and other health issues. In addition, the practice of rolling coal can also harm the engine and reduce its lifespan, as the excess fuel can cause damage to the engine's components over time. Rolling coal has been the subject of controversy in recent years, with some states and municipalities enacting laws and regulations to prohibit the practice. For example, in Colorado, it is illegal to modify a vehicle's emission system in a way that increases the amount of pollutants it emits, and violators can face fines and other penalties. In addition, the EPA has issued guidelines stating that it is illegal to remove or tamper with a vehicle's emissions control system, and that doing so can result in fines and other legal consequences. Despite these regulations and the potential health and environmental impacts of rolling coal, the practice continues to be popular among some diesel truck enthusiasts. However, there are also many in the diesel community who promote responsible driving and engine modification practices that prioritize efficiency and sustainability over showmanship and spectacle.